G'day, here's 3 examples of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres, the material's been wetted, and the white is a reflection from the lights. I've zoomed in a bit just so I can show you up a bit closer. Basically that's a little face of boulder there. It's on top of the parent material, and that's what you're just looking at, is that. With this piece you can see the opal bar goes right through here, so this top bit should clean off and you end up with a bigger blue stripy piece of opal. It's thick enough probably for you to cut a second one off the back here, but I think it's not that good, this piece on the back. You're probably better off just to go for this face, I think. It's up to you. If you've got a thin enough saw blade, you could cut it into 2 and end up with 2 stones. Anyway, this last piece, not super bright colours, more sort of pastels, but a lot of this material would come off probably, and I think the opal continues underneath there, as you can see it's showing here. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.